Hello everyone. Welcome to another video. I just wanted to show you a little thing I'm doing right now. It's actually wintertime right now where we live, and right now what I'm doing is I'm putting these little gaskets behind the light switches and outlets in my house with the R's little insulators to be able to cover like the opening in the back. What it does is it helps to seal the cold out of the house, because a lot of cold air can actually come in around the cover plate. This is the cover plate that goes on this switch. Basically, all you gotta do is take them out of the box. This is basically what I'm using here right now, and it comes in sheets like this. And the way they work, you can actually see, I don't know if you can see like all the little notches in this here. They used to not be like this all the time, but with all the different shapes and everything that they have now, they have it now so that way you just knock it out for whatever it is you have. You have the like the GFI. You knock out this whole thing. This fits standard. Knock that out to fit around light switches. And then if you see this little score line, let me pull one off here. Sorry about that. This is basically a normal size of one, and that it fits behind. This fits behind a standard outlet or a single light switch. But then they also have, like if you have one with doubles in it, they have this little score line. You just split that, which is what I did on that light switch to make it fit behind the cover. The older style, you would get like so many with the outlet, just a standard outlet, and then a few for a standard light switch. But these here are best used like on the light switches and outlets that are on an outside wall, such as what I have here. And what they do is they help to keep the cold air from coming in around the switches. Once I put the cover back on, the cover will actually fit right over them like so. And then what it does is it just seals the cold out. Sorry if I'm repeating myself or whatnot. I don't run on scripts or things like that. But especially like on a windy day on an outside wall, you'd be surprised at how much cold air comes in around these. I'm going to pause the video so I can put this on. And here we are with it back on. I don't know if you can see, like in between the switch here, you can actually see the gasket in there. And basically what that's doing now is it just helps to insulate the house a little bit more by sealing off another space for air to get in. And like I said, here's like all the little, these are all like the little knockouts from the that I took out to make it fit around that switch. These strips are taken off so it'll fit the double switch. But that's basically it. It's actually a really simple installation, but you've got to be careful because you are working around electricity. I mean, you can turn the power off to these if you want to, but in my case I don't, because I'm not actually taking the switch out or messing with the wiring. I'm just taking the cover off to put these gaskets in behind the switches. So as a result, I don't really need to be as concerned about getting electrocuted. But we'll put a warning out there to be careful, because if you're not careful, you can get zapped if you don't know what you're touching and whatnot. But I hope this helps you to be able to help keep your home warmer in the winter or cooler in the summer. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching the video. God bless. So long.